We will make a dessert today, using quark and double cream. You will need quark, double cream, sugar, cacao, vanilla essence, fruit and chocolate. First, we will whip the double cream until it thickens. Next, we will add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Whip the cream with the sugar for another few seconds. Then, add the quark. If you don't have quark, you could try making this dessert with curd cheese, also known as farmer's cheese. Whisk the quark and the cream briefly, turning the ingredients into a smooth cream. Add a few drops of vanilla essence. Once you mix the vanilla essence into the cream, transfer half of the cream into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and mix the cream briefly again. There are many ways of how to serve the quark cream. You could place fruit at the bottom of each bowl, or at the top. You could create layers of plain quark and cacao quark, or keep it simple and put a bit of cacao cream next to the plain cream. It's nice to grate some chocolate over the top. You can use fresh fruit or tinned fruit. We are adding slices of peach, but other fruit, such as strawberries or pineapple, would be also a nice finish.